In this video, how to vlog using nothing more than your phone, coming up. And you know what? You don't need all the gear to create an amazing video that people really dig, and you can drive lots of views here on YouTube. First step is believing you have everything you need in order to make it happen, to drive the views and create a video people love. Fact of the matter is, you do.
But how do you do it? How do you actually make it happen? Well, the very first thing that you can do, of course, is you gotta make sure that you're making it easy on yourself. And a fantastic way to do that is to make it easy with the gear that you're using. A lot of people will go out and they'll think, hey, I gotta get this big camera, and they'll get this camera, and the DSLRs and other video cameras, they're really complicated. You have all these lenses that you can choose from. You have all the settings inside of the camera, but with a phone, you make it easy by just grabbing the phone that's already in your pocket, pulling it out, and making a video. And you want to make it easy for your audience to connect with you. So let me tell you a story real quick. I was watching a video, or a documentary I should say, on Bill Clinton, and the person in this documentary was sharing how anytime that you're talking with Bill Clinton, it's almost like you are the only person in the world because all of his attention is fully focused on you.
And here's a really great way to make that happen. You see, one of the things I learned is I was filming a video just yesterday with Nick, and I was kind of like, I was looking all over the place and there's so much going on, and it's kind of distracting for you, the viewer, right? But a la Casey Neistat, and this is why he wears sunglasses. Put on a pair of sunglasses and it makes it so much easier for the audience to connect with you, to stay focused on your message, the very thing you want.
And you can also take the whole thing up a notch once you get practice and once you get better at doing it by actually taking them off and just making sure that anytime that you are communicating to the camera, that you are talking directly to the camera. You're not looking around all over the place, because what you want is you want the people that are watching your videos to feel that connection of you actually talking directly to them.
Next tip is you really want to find a quiet location, and that will allow you to focus on your message, and you won't have the huge distraction of all the people around you. This is without question one of the biggest issues that people face when they get started vlogging. Totally eliminate it, get away from the people, and you'll rock it.
However, you have to be realistic, because after all, you are still outside. Cars are gonna drive by, horns are gonna honk, people are gonna walk through your set, airplanes are gonna go by, dogs are going to bark. In fact, the clip that you just saw with Brian, that took us 9 times to get that clip right. But what you have to understand is when distractions happen, you just have to stop and do it over again, and do it as many times as you need to do it, or change locations until you can get it right. We might have done that 9 times, but it only took us 10 minutes to get it done.
Okay, next up, this is simple. Have fun, relax, dig while you shoot all kinds of B-roll. All you want to do is just point at things that are pretty. The more footage you get, the more you can add to your video, the better the video is going to become, and more. One of the things to consider is you don't always have to be speaking in the shots. If you see something that's awesome, take a picture, do a time lapse, take a night photo. The more footage, the better your video. Simple.
The next thing you need to think about is audio. Now, if you have one of the newer flagship phones, the microphone that comes in your phone, it actually sounds pretty good, especially with the new iPhones. But if you want to level up and get a little bit more pro audio, think about investing in a microphone. It will make a huge difference. Now, as a vlogger, there's something else you need to think about, and that's if you're out walking around and say you walk past a store, or you walk past a bar, or some concert playing outside, that music can get you dinged with a copyright claim or a copyright strike. So be mindful of any music that's playing in the background, and that includes cars that drive by blasting the radio.